Welcome to the channel. Are you tired of being bombarded with birthday notifications on Facebook? Do you find yourself mindlessly typing "Happy Birthday" on countless walls, feeling more like a robot than a friend? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to take control of your notifications and turn off those birthday reminders once and for all. It's a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. So, grab your phone, open up your Facebook app, and let's get started. 1. First things first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. 2. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open up the menu. 3. Now scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the options, and then select Settings. 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Under Notifications, tap on Birthdays. 5. You'll now see a setting labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Toggle this setting off by tapping the switch. This will prevent Facebook from sending you birthday notifications through the app. 6. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to turn off birthday notifications. Simply confirm by tapping Turn Off. And that's it! You've successfully turned off birthday notifications on Facebook. No more endless reminders, no more feeling obligated to write generic birthday wishes. You're now free to enjoy Facebook without the notification clutter. If you ever decide you want to turn birthday notifications back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the Allow Notifications on Facebook setting back on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to master social media. See you in the next video.